So many steps.
I know. We should go a little bit slow.
Yeah, you gotta pace yourself.
It's like the big mansion full of stairs. There's a little bit more.
Nope.
There's a little bit more.
We're right here.
Yeah, really? There's too much stairs. Don't come.
Oh, careful.
It was so high.
Take your time.
No, it was so high. Jaden, this one is going to be a high one. It's not for me. I'm doing Daddy's way. Was it ever level out?
Just think of the view. There goes.
I know.